Wagwan, Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. And if you're new, I am a Jamaican living in Australia. And this is my backyard forest. As you can see, full of fruits and veggies. And you can see right around me, mainly sorrel, otherwise known as rosella. I also have some African ginger. I have gungo peas. I have sugarcane, I have cassava, you name it. So today I'll be giving you all an update and also showing you all the disappointments. Alright, so let's go now. We're on a roll. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone to made it to 2026. You're watching this video, that means you're here. Alright, so congrats to yourself, big up yourself, you get me? So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so we're gonna start from this end where I have some cane, some sugar cane here, and been feasting, and right now it has lots of young suckers coming up, so them looking really nice. Some fat one here, and these I love to eat them like this, but I also want to get what you call it, like a sugar cane mill, so basically I can just extract the juice easily, and it would be easier for my family as well, because for me personally I just like to cut them straight and eat them like that, but you know, it's not easy for everybody with the teeth, you know. It's something that you have to be really good at. So anyway, I also have some cassava here, which I cut some sticks, and these ones are coming up lovely. Some more here. So that is that. And here we have all the yam. And I plan to reap these yam at the end of summer, or maybe the end of autumn, before winter comes in. So, and these will be my first harvest of yam. I planted these like more than a year ago. I can't remember when, but yeah. So I know that during the winter months they don't grow, all the leaves fall off and all that. So, you know, I caught the winter months out of growing the yam. They just underground for that long. And yeah, you can see it gone all the way up there. Lots of purple yam. And this right here is turmeric. This is all turmeric. And this is some blossom, I would assume. Because I have no experience with turmeric in terms of like, are these supposed to produce a seed or something? I don't know. So let me know why they're blossoming. Is this mean they're fully mature? Because it's been a long time since I actually took some out of here. Some turmeric. And got the, what you call it, pomegranate. This is the pomegranate. And it's not doing too well this time around, to be honest. Yeah, so don't know what kind of treatment it needs at this moment, but yeah. Got lots of banana. I've reaped lots of banana already. And yeah, there's one there. I reaped one yesterday actually. I gave to my father-in-law. So yeah, lots of banana. If you come over here now, we got the nice mangoes. You can see the size of them now. Just a small tree. So right here we have about 4 there, and 5, 6, 7, and then we had one here that fallen off, which is crazy because if I should count all the ones that fallen off, it's be so much. But anyway, we got the sorrel here as well. We got the papaya, which haven't started any fruit as yet, but it has gone it has blossomed, but no fruit as yet. And in here I have some beans. You can see them just busting up now. Yeah, so you know I love my beans, the parsley, the thyme. I've been reaping countless amount of okra. As you can see, this one is ready. I don't want them too big. Young one there. And also countless amount of cucumber, like non-stop. I have some small one here. Yeah, so we've been having lots of cucumber. The plants them I get older now, I would say. I did plant some younger ones, but not all of them coming up so well. But anyway, that is that. And here, right here, I have some passion fruit. They just be growing wild there. Yes, I just throw some seed over here and them come. So yeah, and also one thing I wanted to do here was, because I have pumpkin now. Here's a pumpkin. I want to unpollinate, but this one hasn't opened yet. So this would open and then I would do the process. But I think there's one over here that's already open. So I'm gonna unpollinate this pumpkin. Oh, there's a bees in there. Oh my god. Ah, well, there's a bees in there. I don't think I need to do that. I don't know if you all just seen that. Oh, it's flying around me. Oh, I hope it don't sting me. Yeah, well, I guess the bees is doing its job. So normally you'd unpollinate that by getting the male flower, which is this one. This is the male flower, and I would brush off all the pollen in here by sticking it in there. But there's a bees that's doing its job, so I think I'm good with that little pumpkin there. Oh, it's coming back. The bees is back. Oh, I'm gonna leave him. I was gonna show you all the pumpkin on it, but yeah, here's a pumpkin anyway. Alright. And this one right here, this is galangao. If I'm pronouncing it right, it's galangao or something like that. Anyway, yeah, that's it right here, coming up back. So I got that, which I believe they're all of the ginger family and the turmeric family. The plants look very much similar. Yeah, and yeah, we're here where the sorrels are, and it look like a forest right now. Just look over there. That's all sorrel go down there. And I got my sweet potato in the mix as well, which I realize the pests them been biting up the leaves and thing, but yeah, I got my sweet potato coming through. I got some basil, which is full of blossoms right now too. So yeah, let's show you all the disappointment that I've had. And this is it. Some parrot, or whatever you want to call them. I forgot the name of them, but I believe I can find the name and show it on screen, the exact type of bird that's been feeding on my corn. And yeah, so that's a disappointment. Let me shell it down, as you can see. Yeah, man, they've been working on my corn. So it seems like I'm gonna need a scarecrow with these intruders. And here we got the small melons. So these are not the gigantic melons, so they won't be growing much bigger than this. I think they should be even ready too, but yeah, give it a bit more time. And here's another one. Here's the other one over here. It's a pretty nice watermelon. Yeah, man. This is my first time, I would say, growing watermelon successfully. I've tried this multiple times and they never come, so I believe these ones gonna be a good outcome. And I have lots of callaloo here, which I'm leaving these to grow out for seeds. And yeah, shouldn't have to buy next season. And yeah, I got more watermelon here as well. And if you can see, that's one there. That's one there. Lots more in between. So it's a good look, you know. Just have to be careful when I don't step on any plants. So, and if you come over here, we got the gungo in the mix. Gungo peas, otherwise pigeon pea, in the mix of everything. Actually reaped some before and it blossoming all over again. So I mean, the tree have spring up really well. I know it's like refresh itself and coming back up, so you can see young ones there. So yeah, and this is supposed to be an African ginger. This one I got from a brother-in-law a long time ago. So yeah, got cucumber in the mix here, but I think because all these tall all the tall sorrel and gungo here. Maybe that's why you're not getting much sunlight, so it's not doing too well, because you can tell it's already blossoming, but yeah, it's not doing too well under here. And of course, lemon. You all know this lemon tree by now, unless you're new, but this lemon tree, countless amount of lemon. Yeah. So yeah, man, take a look at the sorrel, my people, for yourselves. I actually plan to sell some of these sorrel this time around, because yeah, I realize that people buy these a lot, so why not? And it's quite expensive, so I'm gonna give it a try. And I'm not gonna sell all of them, of course not, but I'm gonna see what the market is like selling some of them. And yeah, I mean, after those disappointment with the corns, obviously, you know, we have to make progress again by bringing some more out. So these are some young corn that will be coming up. And here I got the beautiful cassava. Yeah, man, and this also I'm gonna reap at the end of autumn. Yeah, so looking good. And that will be my first cassava harvest, because I've never done this before. And I got some more cassava sticks even over there, so when these sorrels are gone, these cassava will come up. So that is that, because these sorrels are almost ready to to start pushing out some young sorrels. I've even seen one that has young sorrels already, so I know that it's almost that time. So we are ready and preparing for that. Yeah, man, and more pumpkin over here as well. So, because I recently cleaned out this spot and make a change. Yeah, I got more gungo here. These are gungo peas, otherwise pigeon pea. More sugar cane. So I just have the garden spread out with a lot of different things, you know. Taro, otherwise dasheen, more gungo. And this right here is my table grape, you know, crimson seedless. And yeah, it's growing. It's not too bad. But over here now, we have the Barbados cherry, otherwise Acerola cherry. And this is a very local cherry that we would grow in Jamaica. I did an unpollination recently, and for some reason they're not producing any fruit, and I've done it like 2 times already, but no fruits, so I'm not sure why. If you all have any tips or recommendation of how I can actually get some fruits off this tree, would be really good. As you can see, those are the blossoms. So it definitely has blossoms, and I've done the unpollinating, but so far no fruits. This is the 3rd time it has been blossoming now. So it definitely want to produce some fruits, but it's been challenging. So yeah, I don't know what to do as yet, but anyway, got more cane there. So they're not all one type of cane. This one is a different type. That one over there is a different type. And yeah, there's a little one there that's actually a different species of cane, and a different type of cane. So yeah, man. Right here also have the soursop, which my father-in-law bought this one because the other one I had died. And this one is grafted, so should be a shorter time. I'm growing it in the pot for now. Alright, so my battery just died, so I had to get another one. And yeah, let's continue. Alright, so these are some pak choy. And this one is just growing outside here, and yeah, using it for seeds as well. And here we got the spring onion, otherwise scallion. And we got lots of thyme. Lots of time. What's the time? This is the time. Yeah, man. So that's looking really healthy, fluffy, growing over the edges and thing. So we have every little thing that we need at the moment. you know, to call it self-sufficient. There's so much more I want to do and so much more I want to improve, but for now, this is it. So earlier I showed you all the small passion fruits. Well, this right here is a bigger plant, and it haven't started blossom yet or anything, but it's looking really good, as you can see. So I'm looking forward to that. And in the midst of that, I got some nice cherry tomato, some red one. So it's a good look. Also have the dragon fruit. They're not looking too good at the moment, but I want to top this up with some dirt, and I think that's the problem right now, that I need to fill it up with some dirt. Alright, so I've showed you all the disappointment and some good news, and I have more good news. And this is to let you all know that I have a brand new reggae song that's out for 2026. It's out right now on my music page and also available on all digital platforms. And this song is titled Gambling. Alright, so this song is a love song that I created. I just want you to all go over and listen to the lyrics. You know, the beat. The beat is created by my brother back in Jamaica. And the engineer is Tommy Lloyd from Blueberry Music in Byron Bay, Australia.
I don't wanna go gambling, cause your love is a wonderful thing. Every day I learn a lesson, I get the most every night. I don't have to go out, yeah.
So yeah, go show your support and yeah, just run it up. If you have a friend, a DJ or a producer or somebody, just, connect the dots. All right, I would greatly appreciate that. All right, so yeah, link will be provided so you all can go over and do that and leave a comment. Hype up the video. You know where your comment section is. If you scroll across, you see hype. Just hype up the video so it reach out to more people. All right, so with that being said, let's go now. We're on a roll. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed the video today, and let me know what else you want to see and what else you think I should do in the garden and things like that. So yeah man, we on a roll now. Let's go now.